Hi friends, today we are going to dive in with our scraps of watercolor paper. We love scraps. Now, all you're going to need are some scissors and a couple of black pens, which I will describe. Today I'm going to use a regular fine point Sharpie, an S-Gel Sharpie pen, and a Uniball pen. I will link those down below. Now, I love little wonky flowers. I love coming up with little odd shapes and fun shapes. So here is the best part. I'm going to show you step by step on this video. You can stop and start as you like. I'll just do 1 or 2 lines at a time, and you can follow along. Here's something fun and new I have for you. Down below, I've linked where you can get a printable step-by-step PDF of how to do these flowers and more. And you can do this at your own pace and whenever you want. So I'm really excited to offer this to you. Check it out. You'll find it on my website. And in the meantime, we'll go ahead and make more flowers. So here I have outlined with the regular fine point Sharpie, and then I come in with my Uniball or the S-Gel and I make the fine lines. All the color I'm using is from just times that I have played and mixed pigment powders together. And you can see on my notes, this is yellow mixed with some orange, and they are all the color burst powders. So I will have those linked as well. They're super intense pigments. They are so much fun, and you can come up with so many different creative combinations with these. All right, so I'm going to let this play out, and you can follow along and have fun. Stop and start as you like I said, and we will make some flowers together. And then at the end, I'm going to show you how to cut these out and give you a little update on how you can use these. Are you having fun yet? All right, I'm going to speed this up. We're going to cut out all around the edges. And we're going to have the most beautiful, fun pile of flowers ever. See? How fun are these? Now, what do we do with these? Well, you need to like and subscribe so that you will get notifications on my next post on how to use these creative little beauties. So don't forget, like and subscribe, like and subscribe. I know, do you ever get tired of hearing that? Sometimes I do, but I appreciate it when you do. And I will see you next time.